Hello YouTube and welcome to X-Ray Tech, giving you an inside look at PC hardware. You ever hear about those crazy deals out there that are always just too good to be true? Well, I was browsing my local classifieds and I came across just such a deal. Meet the MSI GT62VR. This gaming laptop was for sale by a man a couple towns over, and he was asking $400. $400 for this gaming laptop. I've been in the market for some mobile gaming for some time. I do some work sometimes on the weekends, sometimes overnight, and it's nice to have it on hand to kind of chug away at some offline games, and if I'm lucky, some online games if I have Wi-Fi. But $400 for a fairly modern MSI gaming laptop. We'll get into the specs here in a minute, and we'll also get into why this guy was selling it for so little. Well, I pull up to the guy's place and we start going over the specs. It's got an Intel i7-6700HQ under the hood. It's got a 1080p IPS panel. It's got a GTX 1066GB, 128GB M.2 SSD with a 1TB hard drive for game storage. The good news just keeps piling up, and the guy only wants $400, and I'm getting excited at this point. But then the catch. Why was it $400, you ask? It seems that beneath the Dynaudio, beneath the bottom plate, beneath the pretty black and red facade of plastic, there lurked a problem. No, the PC's not dead. No, it was a way simpler issue. As it turns out, the fans were faulty. The owner had to pop the bottom plate off and manually push them to get them started during operation. And he still wanted $400 for it. Actually, talked him down to $360. And with that, I became the proud new owner of an MSI GT62VR. I took it home, and the first thing I did was pull up Amazon. I found the fans immediately. It was very simple to find, and even simpler to make the repairs. The three eyelets that you see in the picture each held a screw, and removing those screws, pulling the fan out, putting the new fans in, replacing the screws, and replacing the fan header back into its slot, and I was on my way. Ultra gaming 1080p on a laptop. Let's take a look at some benchmarks to see how it does.
Entities crossing checkpoint 1.
At the end of the day, guys, I was really lucky to find this laptop, and you could be just as lucky. All you have to do is keep your ear to the ground, keep an eye on those local classifieds, and wait for something like this to pop up. Maybe something that needs a little work, or that the owner isn't quite sure what's wrong with it, but you can get in there, you can figure out what's going on. It's the mechanic special of the PC world. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. This has been another episode of X-Ray Tech, giving you an inside look at PC hardware.